Okay, so this is a question from section 4.2. It was requested question number 10. But before that, the same student requested how to evaluate permutations nPr using a calculator. So it sort of depends on your calculator, which is a bit of a difficult thing. So usually it's nice to have them right in front of me, but we'll see what we can do. First things first, what you want to look for, okay, is a particular button, of course, that has the function on it in the calculator. And the key is most, if not all, calculators will have it in the second function, or your shift. So whatever that color is on top of the numbers, it'll have it in there. Very rarely does a calculator actually have a button for specifically this. It may have one for n factorial, but it won't have one for this. So look for the second function, and somewhere near those areas you're going to find an nPr or a pnr, comma r, or p in brackets n arrow towards the r. These are all variations of the theme that we see on the calculator. Another option is you may have a whole menu that has this in it. And the two menus that I've seen pretty much all the time are either stat or PRB. PRB for probability, because that's what we're learning this stuff for. And stats because, of course, it's like used for stats as well. Okay, if you press that button, what will happen is a menu will pop up where you'll get like n factorial, nPr, and then ncr, which is what we're going to do next week. And then you know that you have the right menu when you press that. And that's usually right in the top functions, okay, right near the top of the calculator, close to where the readout is for the screen, for the numbers and things like that. When you're actually going to do the calculations, it's not crazy to do. For almost all of these, no matter what the format, you usually have to put in the number for, say, 10p2, okay, 10 elements and 2 positions. To do 10p2, you would put in the number, well, 10, right, 1, 0. Then you'd press the nPr button, if that means you go second function nPr or whatever it is you have to do. You want to do the thing to get your permutations. And then you're going to do the second number, okay, the number of positions that occur, and of course then an equal sign. And you should be able to get the evaluated number, as it were. You can try that, remembering if you do 10p2, that's actually going to be the number 10 times 9, which is 90. So if you get 90, you know it's right. Okay? Same calculation. If you have a different calculator, maybe a little bit different. Again, same 10p2. You may have to put the 1 and the 0, and that will be for these guys right here that have a menu. Okay? You're going to go stat or PRB. Okay, menu. Then you're going to choose nPr. You often have to scroll left or right and kind of press enter for that. And then, of course, you're going to put in the 2, and then you're going to go ahead and put in the equals. And when we learn how to do combinations and CR, it's going to be done exactly the same way except for a different button. Okay, so that's that. Okay, that's how we evaluate those things using a calculator. Hopefully that helps you do that.